Connecting your Google Sheet starts in the new Workspace Settings tab. You click that and you're brought into the Workspace Settings. From here, you click the Google Sheets integration and connect your Google account. You select Connect Drive and you are prompted to sign into your CPS account. From there, you go through the permissions and browse your assets once your account is authenticated. From there, you select the particular spreadsheet within your G Drive and then select the particular tab you want imported. Once the import is complete and verified, you then are prompted to map the columns and import those within the system. Once that's validated, you're then prompted to add a name, a optional description, and close your connection. As you can see, the integration in the spreadsheet is now included in the app. You have the ability now to disable it, delete, go into more settings and see that you can synchronize, disconnect. You have more information on an auto synchronization feature. So as a user, I won't have to worry about manually re-uploading the spreadsheet. The system will capture any changes and automatically update when those changes are necessary. From there, a user can connect another sheet. Their G Drive will already be authenticated and they will be on their way to connecting another Google Sheet.